John Deere, we stand for engineering with integrity. For the best machines are those built as a complete solution for their intended use. That's why we design our machines as a complete vehicle. Many of our machines feature our own engine, drivetrain, hydraulics, cooling system, electronics, and other vehicle systems, making them a complete solution. We have decades of experience in the off-highway diesel engine business. We know from extensive research and development how these engines should function in different agricultural applications, different landscaping applications, and even your own backyard. That's why John Deere doesn't directly take on-highway technology and use it in our off-highway products, and why many of our machines have set industry benchmarks on reliability, durability, and efficiency. Our integrated approach to design means you can count on the components working together because they were designed together. This is what we do. We engineer with integrity. In 1996, we launched the PowerTech family of engines to meet Tier 1 emissions regulations. Using a building block strategy, we pioneered the use of many advanced engine technologies with Tier 2 and Tier 3 engine platforms. Along the way, we made some significant accomplishments. We were the first engine manufacturer to use cooled exhaust gas recirculation and a variable geometry turbocharger as a means to meeting emission regulations. This allowed us to achieve best-in-class fuel economy with our row crop tractors. We listen to your needs and build equipment designed to make your work easier and faster with an emission solution that's the most cost-effective and least noticeable to you. And while different machines require different emissions technologies, we're skilled at matching the right technology for each machine. Building on the skill and our success with Cool DGR, we introduced a hassle-free way of meeting interim Tier 4 regulations by adding a smart exhaust filter to some machines. The FT4 regulations required significant reductions in both nitrogen oxide, or NOx, and particulate matter emissions. We're able to control the engine and its combustion process with precise amounts of Cool DGR to lower NOx formation, while the exhaust filter controls particulate matter. Our extensive background in off-highway equipment enabled us to design a system that's different than the on-highway solution. This approach is a proven hit with our customers, as many prefer a simplicity without any compromise of power, performance, and efficiency. Some manufacturers have chosen not to use an exhaust filter. As a result, they utilize an engine calibration that produces less particulate matter, but in turn creates more NOx. To reduce the increased NOx, they use a selective catalytic reduction system that requires diesel exhaust fluid. The more you control particulate matter with engine timing, the more NOx you create. The more NOx you create, the more NOx you have to control. Now the move from interim Tier 4 to final Tier 4 is significant in that, being the last regulatory tier, the regulations call for the cleanest exhaust and thus the most technology on small, medium, and large horsepower engine. The technology we will be using is a combination of our proven engine technology with an exhaust filter and our new customized selective catalytic reduction system. By following our building block strategy, we have a balanced approach to meeting emission regulations across a wide variety of machines and horsepower levels. We're able to control the production of both emissions so that we don't have to treat an excessive amount of one emission more than the other. Simply put, we can focus the performance of the engine on its power, torque, and responsiveness rather than emissions compliance. And that's what you want, a powerful, reliable machine built to make your job easier and faster, all while reducing emissions to near zero levels. Cool DGR, exhaust filters, and our customized SCR system are just some of the tools in our toolbox we will use for final Tier 4 emissions compliance. We'll design each of our machines using the right tool that's right for the job and that's right for you. We'll continue to build machines with the same performance you come to expect and more. After all, when you buy a John Deere, you expect and you get the best. And that's why we engineer with integrity.